guys, today I am in Phuket, Thailand, and we are gonna go check out a secret beach. It's called Freedom Beach. It's about a 15-minute drive on a scooter from Patong Beach. And yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Probably one of the nicest beaches in all of Thailand, so I'm very excited to show you guys. Going to Krabi next week, Bangkok also, and then potentially a move to Bangkok in the month of November. So please stay tuned. We're gonna be coming out with some great videos this next month in November and December. Also, check out my friend right here. Some great artwork. Really want to compliment the artist. So here we are in Phuket. We're staying in a nice resort for the week. And here is my trusty little scooter. Was expecting to get something not so fast, but this baby gets up to 160. Don't worry, Mom, I've been safe. So we made it to the entrance of Freedom Beach. Just met a really nice family there. They're charged 50 baht to get into the beach, just as kind of like a fee so they can support all their animals. I asked if I could film. Yeah, saw some baby pigs, saw some adult pigs, saw some puppies, and all sorts of things. Right now, I'm kind of walking through the jungle, and it's incredibly muddy. This is a hidden beach, so I understand the treacherous path to get down here. If you come to Thailand, you need to go to Phuket. We thought that everything was pretty much closed here in terms of the nightlife. We come to Phuket and it's completely open. Everything is open, and it's awesome to see like Thailand finally getting back to the way it was before COVID happened. If you do come to Phuket, I recommend Patong, like the most notorious beach and famous beach in Thailand because of its nightlife, probably besides Pattaya. But honestly, I've had a great experience here. Everyone is just so nice. They really want you just to enjoy your time. Also spend money. So just be prepared to be heckled and called into as many bars as you can handle. I don't think I was equipped with the right shoes. Got the beater vans on. So, see if I make it. I wasn't expecting a mountain hike today. Man, the hike is brutal. It's like a straight downhill for about 10 minutes, but look at the reward. A hidden beach in Thailand. You can only get to this by boat or by hiking. I'm really blown away, honestly. I don't think anything can get more Thailand than this. You got the long tail boat in the back, white sandy beaches, crystal clear blue water, beautiful rocks. I think I'm in paradise. Thailand really has it all. In a few days you can go from the beach to the mountains to the plains to another country. Look at all of this, man. This is why you gotta get out and travel. You gotta see the world. To see this stuff like this. You gotta get out and travel. You gotta see stuff like this. Broaden your horizons, meet some friends. Insane.